Hello guys, what is up with you? And today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Google theme. Now you can choose your own images and everything. So you go to your web browser and go to themebeta.com right here. Links will be in the description. Click theme creator when you do get here. And then you can enter a theme name. I'm going to say Fallout because it's a Fallout image. So I want this image. I will create to my size. I will pick a size for it. So you can just hold this down until it becomes an adequate size, or you can just type in what you want it to be. So I'm going to keep holding it down until it gets to the theme. Or you can just like literally make it easier and put fit to screen. That's like a whole lot easier. And it just automatically sets it for you. So generate colors, you get some colors there, and then push pack and install. Continue if it says that, then you just click add theme, and then when I open a new tab, I have my Fallout 76 or Fallout 4, whatever Fallout game theme. I have this theme that I can use for anything really. It has these colors on this bar up here all the time, and this image in the background. But it can be a little rough around the edges depending on what image you use. But guys, nonetheless, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.